Eddie notices that I'm at a rate of 300 frames per second. Or sorry, 3 frames per second. You'll see my videos come out slightly, even a slight bit laggy. Now the reason for that is, if you increase it to, let's say, 15 or 20, 25 frames per second, the file becomes huge. So I've made videos 58 minutes long before, and if I have that at 300, if I have that at like 200 frames per second, it takes an absolute age to upload them. So I realise is what I'm doing is very basic. I don't need the graphics to be amazing. So I lowered it down to 3 frames per second, and it means I'm not waiting like half an hour for the video to form. So that's why I decided to lower down the frames per second. So that's another thing. Depends on what you're doing. Depends the frame size. Alright, now back to maths, and that's about video editing. Alright, a theatre with seating accommodation for 50 people took €600 in on a night when all the seats are sold. Seats are priced at 15 and €10. X is the number of people that paid for the €15 seats. Y is the number of people that paid for the €10 seats. Remember, you haven't got this question done, I want you taking it down. Now, how many people... Okay, so let's say X is the amount of people that paid for the expensive seats. Y is the amount of people that paid for the less expensive, the cheaper seats. What happens when you add these two numbers together? What does it give you? Hands up. What does it give you when you add these two numbers together? Kim. It gives you the number of people that actually went to the concert, which is 50. Because these are the amount of people that paid for the €15 tickets. These are the amount of people that paid for the €10 tickets. Now we're going to talk about money. How much money did they make? They made €600. What was that comprised of? Where did the €600 come from? Joe?
The €15 tickets and the €10 tickets.
How many €15 tickets did we sell? What?
X.
X represents that. And then how many €10 tickets did we sell? Perfect. Everybody happy with that? I usually do switcheroo here. I generally like the smaller one below it. Just preference more than anything. Okay, we're going to target the Robin. We're going to target the Y's. What makes a 10Y disappear?
Minus 10y.
And how would you turn the bottom equation into a minus 10Y?
Multiplying by minus 10.
Around when you multiply it by minus 10.
Minus 10x.
Yeah.
Minus y.
10Y, yeah.
Equals minus 500.
Minus 500, because you're multiplying minus 10 by 50. Keep the top exactly the same. And what do we have next, guys?
5x.
5x equals?
Equals 100.
And x equals?
20.
20. Perfect. How many people went again? 50 people. So what does that mean for y?
Y equals 25.
50 people went.
Sorry, y equals
30. Okay, plus 30 people. That's all right. 3 people went. Right? Do you want me to do 16?
Yeah.
Okay, last one. Long class of me talking, unfortunately. Alright. So, all 80 members of a club voted to elect the president for the club. There are only 2 candidates, Anne and Brian. Okay? Let X be the number of people that voted for Anne, and Y be the number of people that voted for Brian. So, can anybody tell me, if everybody has to vote, what's X plus Y then? The number of people that voted for Anne plus the number of people that voted for Brian has to be 80. Did Anne win the election?
Yeah.
So Anne won the election. So that stands for part 1. For part 2, number of members who voted. So that's part 1. The difference, yes?
Would they be allowed to vote for themselves then?
No, there's only 2 candidates. So that's what we're saying. You either have to vote for Anne or you have to vote for Brian.
So would that not be... Oh, wait,
I think they could vote. I think they could vote for themselves if Anne and Brian are included in the 80 members. They'll obviously vote for themselves unless they want to lose the election. Okay. Now, okay, Anne beat Brian by 20. So what, Robin?
Would not be easier if it could be A plus B plus Anne and Brian?
You could do it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the same as X plus Y?
It would work out the same way.
Yeah.
Haymans.
X minus
X minus
Y.
y. The number of votes for Anne, take away the number of votes for Brian, equals 20. This one actually turns out to be really easy. Add straight down. 2x equals, x equals, and then y will have to equal 30. Their number of votes adds up to 80, and that, right? So, will you take that down now? I'm just going to save this video as well.